Hi, good morning. Paul here. Berkshire Hathaway, the Spaulding Team. It is May 16th. Half the month is already gone. My gosh. Anyway, let's see what's new in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Oops. Come on, wake up. There we go. Okay, so today, lowest price was a one-story townhome for $70,000 over on Las Vegas Boulevard. Used to be the spa. 736 square feet. Las Vegas and Richmar. It's nice to see those places are starting to pick up a bit. Then the highest priced is a Newport Coast here, $640,000. It's a two-story, 3,700 square feet. It's got a nice rock facade there. Three-car garage. Couple of different levels there. Almost looks like there's a dent in the refrigerator doors there. A small pool in the backyard. The little pool house there. I guess it's not as small as it looks. A good size. It's just a bad photograph. This is a little casita back there. Shower. A little putting green. Huh. Interesting. Nice house. Ford Apache in the 215. Okay. Then yesterday we had a little condo, 400 square foot studio. Okay. Rancho and Bonanza, 95. Harry Levy Gardens, how about that? Okay, then next, the highest priced one yesterday. Whoa, 175, there we go. 990,000, 3,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 5-car garage, a pool spa built brand new, 2019. It's great. Artist rendition. Looks like they're trying to sell trucks there. Spec home. Guy's sitting there playing on his phone instead of working. Some people. Bad pictures. Wow. Domanico Custom Homes. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's it for the last 2 days. Let's see what else is going on here. We have under contract 12, 7, 672 in escrow. Wow, it's gone up a bit. And then what is closed? Okay, a couple have reported this morning. One 2-story condo, 480 square feet, 54,000. $54,000. Good cash flow probably for that. Twain in Paradise. Okay. Right above the airport there. Okay. And highest price today already. $235, 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Older home. Nicely done. Looks like a modified mobile home. Over on Dayton. Torrey Pines, Jones, and Alton. Okay, Spring Valley area. Okay. And yesterday we had this one. This is for sale. Price 0. What the heck is with that? Way up there. What is this? Sold $2,200. What? Was it burned down or something? There's no pictures. Huh. It's kind of weird. Okay, so pass that by. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Lot closed yesterday. One on Lookout Ridge here, 2.9 million. Nice house. It has a view. Oh, not much. 5,800 square feet. Okay. Alright. So, that's that. Let's see. We like to do the pool properties. And last, let's see, a couple days. Let's see. It's glad no threats were detected. Don't like threats on my computer. We have to put the criteria in there. Looks like 108 in the last 2 days. It's getting up there with pools. Where's the clusters? Well, they're all over the place. Great, well, I just put one on the market. change it at all. 107, maybe. We got one out in Pahrump there. Anyway, well, that is it for today. Since we haven't gone through another month yet, this hasn't changed at all. So everybody have a great day, and talk to you tomorrow.